Good morning, you guys. We hope that you're off to a beautiful, wonderful day. There are so many noises, but he's taking his nebulizer, so I don't want to mess with any of them. So yeah, I'm gonna start making us some breakfast, and you guys can watch. Does your pancake taste funny at all? Your pancake doesn't taste funny at all. I should have done something better.
What'd you put in it?
I filled it with cocoa powder, hoping it'd be super bitter. The second one, this one, that was my April Fool's joke.
It tastes good.
It failed.
Start doing it every day.
Dang it! Cocoa powder's supposed to be so bitter. Is it yummy, Hudson? Mm-mm. He loves the strawberries. I'm so sad. My trick was, I thought that it would be so bitter, and it wasn't. So my trick failed. So now I gotta think of a new one. Ugh. Alright, we're gonna try prank two.
Yeah.
I missed you!
I knew you were gonna do that.
I tried. I failed. I told you guys, I suck at pranks. He's working hard out there sanding. Time for me to paint. Here's what they look like, but I need to do a second coat. I accidentally just deleted my before eyebrow footage, so I'm kind of really mad about that. Yeah, that sucks. But I'm still working on that video, despite deleting that chunk of footage, which is fine. It's not the end of the world, but I did accidentally delete it, and that sucks. Anyways, I'm recording this with a Canon EOS Rebel T5i, and I was looking at my old film camera. Yes, film camera. And this one is an EOS Rebel T2. And I just thought that was so funny, like, yeah. So this is, I had this back in 8th grade when I took a photography class. Kind of cool. I wonder if the lens would fit this camera. I wonder if they take different lens. Alright, Mr. Skylar's working on his, so I'm gonna set up a time lapse now that I'm not using the camera. We're getting ready to go. Say cheese. Cheese. Good job. You already lost them? This guy already lost his new sunglasses. These are his old ones, and I know they probably look stupid on me. I don't have a face for sunglasses. My head's just too little, and the droop doesn't go along with the curves of my face or something. I don't know. But anyways, I'll probably give them to Skylar because they're kind of loose.
They're dirty.
And they are very dirty. We're cross our fingers gonna go golfing, hoping and praying. It's the first day of the season though, so it might be like overly crowded with people. hope you guys enjoy Hudson's singing number there. This book, the batteries are dying too, so it sounds funny when they sing. but he's really into it. It is beautiful today. Guys, getting us set up. Mr. Hudson's gonna watch right here for. Let's see it, babe. I know I missed that one. Hudson's chasing the butterfly. I'm a terrible golfer, so I hope you enjoyed watching my awfulness. Sky's really good, but it was the first time in like a year or so. Anyways, basketballs goes really fast, really freaking fast. I wish we had our own yard so we could just hit them like for an hour and have Hudson still play. But it's kind of hard with him to go unless there's kind of, you know, taking shifts. And there's just, luckily there wasn't anybody else there, so that worked out good. And now we're gonna go to the store. Back at Home Depot. Always have to stop for the rocks. Oh, we gotta leave them outside. Oh, did that land on your toe? Okay, come on, let's go. We're gonna try that. Can you see orange? Orange. Are you getting sleepy again? Oh, you're kicking Daddy. That's why you're happy. Now to Walmart.
That's cool.
Hudson got some Skittles, so he's trying them.
You're so lucky.
Can you say thank you? Alright, I just painted a second coat on these. And oh my gosh, you guys. Between this rug not getting vacuumed very often because it's back here, and the fact that I shed like a dog, I've had to pull, these are some of them, I've had to pull like 10,000 hairs off of all of these. See Daddy? What color is your tongue, Daddy? I want to see what color your tongue is. April Fools!
Hey!
Hudson's galloping. Oh. Good gallop. Good job. Help him walk on my back, babe. It would feel so good. Oh, that didn't feel so good. You probably won't do it. Really. Put your feet up. Yeah. Oh, that feels good. Keep going. Oh. Oh. Worth a try. Sky's turn. Oh. Family doggy pile. Okay, my ribs are a little uncomfortable. Ugh. No. I can't breathe. I forgot he was
You better hold on, monkey butt.
He's trying. Spray him. Spray him. He's trying so hard.
Stop it. You guys are ganging up on me.
Come say goodnight to the vlog and I'll turn it on.
1, 2.
Alright, you guys, we hope that you had a beautiful, wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching ours, and we can't wait to see you tomorrow. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave us a friendly comment, and we'll see you tomorrow. Say good night. Can you say good night?